I'm Sarah with Custom Pilates and Yoga. If you've been out to my channel, you've maybe seen a lot of different yoga and Pilates how-to videos, maybe even some of my weekend workouts that are 20 to 30 minutes long. Maybe you wondered, where does she do this? Where does the magic happen? So today I'm going to take you on a tour of my studio. I've got everything set up right now for filming, and I'm going to switch over to the camera on my cell phone, so we'll see how good that quality is, and I'll take you on a tour of the studio and let you see where everything happens. Okay, so here we are. I've gone ahead and I've turned on the camera on my cell phone, and we're gonna see how good this is. I'm gonna switch the view so that you can see all around my studio right now. Okay, so I've flipped around and now we're here at the wall where the magic all happens. Woo. Got my logo in the corner right there, and then here's my handy dandy black mat. Now as we pan up, you can see I've got this half wall and my tennis shoes, and it leads on down the stairs and out of the studio. There's my STOT certification certificate. I'm very proud of that. That was a lot of hard work. And then over here, my Lucille Bluth. I think every good Pilates and yoga studio needs one of those. And my handy dandy black cat sculpture. Now, here's the really interesting part. Here's my light setup. And if you look right in between there, boom, there's my camera. And I just got done filming about my neck brace, so you'll see that there. And you'll see my water and the shirt I used to be wearing. This is my Cadillac, which, like, some people use their treadmill to hold all their stuff. Yeah, my Cadillac holds my production equipment. So I've got towels up there to kind of help with the sound, and I've got a big fuzzy blanket back here. But otherwise, if we ignore those things, I have a really lovely Pilates Cadillac. And I always clear this stuff off every shoot so that I can use the Cadillac when I want. Now, moving past that, I've got my reformer and a handy dandy mirror to check my form. Hey everybody. I've got curtains up on my windows now, which I didn't used to have, but that made filming a little bit awkward sometimes because of rainbows coming into my room. And back there is my chair. Over here is kind of the small equipment stuff and like my little storage nook. And then my treadmill. My treadmill is not covered with clothes, but it does hide yoga equipment in the back. You can see I've got yoga blocks, I've got a ball, got a Pilates circle, extra mat, I've got my Vibram running shoes, my really super old iPod and stereo system there, and this piece right here that looks like a really padded bike seat. Someday I'm going to do a piece just on this. It is called the Elvis, and it rocks back and forth. Okay, so someday I'll do an Elvis video for you guys. And then this right here is one of the most important things I have, a bag of dead tennis balls. Because for me, when I work with clients, lots of times they come in with tightness and pain, and dead tennis balls are the answer to that most of the time. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want more from me, you can find me at my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com, or you can find me on Facebook and Pinterest as well. Thank you.